Silicon Valley. More Silicon Valley ranking the best seasons of Silicon Valley 175 of 448 the funniest TV shows of all time 14 of 102 the best HBO original series. Sex and the City. More Sex and the City the funniest Sex and the City quotes about life during a pandemic 24 of 96, the best dreamed TV series 14 of 220, the greatest TV shows for women. The Lead. More The Lead the best seasons of The Lead 240 of 308 the greatest sitcoms in television. History 368 of 397 the best TV shows to rewatch. How to Make It in America. Or How to Make It in America 387 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate 38 of 40 the best HBO comedies of all time 84 of 94 the best comedies on HBO Max. Ballers. More Ballers the best seasons of Ballers 14 of 40 the best current TV shows starring movie stars 85 of 165 TV shows most loved by African Americans. Dave. More Dave 50 of 257 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years 34 of 45 the best current shows that deal with millennial stuff 238 of 266 the best TV shows returning in 2021. Entourage. Us. Californication. More Californication, the best seasons of Californication, 32 of 96 the best dreamed TV series 297 of 339 the best TV shows of the last 20 years.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.